Bitcoin price gone sideways for about 45 days because I haven't been making YouTube videos, or have I not been making YouTube videos because Bitcoin price is going sideways for 45 days? Let that one bake your noodle. Take a look behind me. I've been getting the question, Cosas, what have you been doing? And I'm going to fire that question right back at you. Excuse me. Hello, what have you been doing? What we've been doing in the community over here, in the Discord community over right behind me, is that we have had 1,415 minutes, or just shy of an entire 24 hours of content since my last public YouTube video on June 28th. I will go ahead and zoom into here. I copied and pasted this straight from my YouTube, I guess, studio area, so you can see all the stuff that we've been doing, the exact days and times, and how long each event was. So that you can see from the thumbnails what type of event it was, whether it was a daily update or all the other ones that aren't the red and green looking daily update. Those are live video voice chats where the community members are in there. Usually they don't turn on their video camera like I do, but we're in there talking together, and I've gotten a lot of good analysis from both my team leaders and my VIPs, and actually 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐸 jumped on our last call and really showed me something that I had not considered. And he was newer. I really like that. That was kind of a surprise. But these are not just me, talking, it's interacting. You are talking with me, and we've done this for 24 hours, almost just shy of 24 hours since my last YouTube video. And on top of that, so that's the Discord community. Now the YouTube live community, we've had about just over 12 hours of live shows, and I've canceled a couple of them because price has been going sideways and I decided to take a little vacation. So typically throughout that month, it'd be a lot more. It would be closer to 18 hours of live content for the YouTube tiers. So there are essentially two ways to get more content when I am a little lighter on the YouTube public, I guess, freeloader material for you all. I was a freeloader for 4 years, learning crypto and price analysis on YouTube as well. I was class of 2017 when Bitcoin went up to 20K, so I freeloaded for 4 years, and there's nothing wrong with it, but it's freeloading, and you're not getting my content right now. So there are two ways to get it. Either check out the Discord community, or check out the YouTube tiers, and the YouTube tiers, there's a join button right below. In addition to that, I've also, during times where I thought price had a chance to break out, I have streamed for 10.5 days, and that is the ones where it says the most important, crypto charts, and it's not just Bitcoin price. I put in my tabs scroll. My kids are walking to my office. My tabs scroll, and I go from Bitcoin price, micro, Bitcoin price, mid-macro on the 4 hour, so you can see Bitcoin price from a different perspective, and it changes every 15 seconds. Then Ethereum price, then the US 500 or the stocks, maybe even Apple price if it's during the day, and I change the tab so you can see everything that's in XRP and XLM were the only things really moving. So a lot of that content during those 10.5 days of live streaming for the community, it depended on what was moving that day and what was tradable. And during that time, it was mostly XLM and XRP, in addition to Bitcoin and a few of the key stocks. So that is what I've been doing. I do anticipate to pick up my free YouTube content here shortly. So if you want to go ahead and know what I'm thinking about Bitcoin price, I'm not going to tell you right now, but what I will tell you is this. My most recent daily update video, which you can see right here. Okay, it's an 18-minute long one, and there are timestamps, so can you see the timestamps? Boom, 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 all right, behind me, in the description of it. I will post that in the free Discord section, so you can check out behind me here. Let me make myself invisible. Harry Potter cloak. Boom, this is the see where my cursor is moving? The announcements section. The left side might look a little bit different for you, right? But the announcement section, that is for the free members, where I typically post things like my calendar with the economic event heat map, which show you the best times of heightened probabilities that Bitcoin will actually move. And I post other items in here for free content. For example, ADA versus Bitcoin, just kind of an interesting way to try to guess when the where we are in the Bitcoin and crypto cycle based off of Cardano. Cardano price versus BTC. So I give other good tidbits, but I'm going to post it right here. So if you want to know what my thoughts are on Bitcoin and how the 3 main ways I expect price to break out of this boring 45-day range, go ahead and join as a free member and check out that video so you can get a flavor of what the community's like. And if that's not your cup of tea, just realize the YouTube tiers also get the daily video updates, but no, one YouTube tier gets it, the technical analysis tier. The lower tier on the YouTube community, that only gets the live shows. It's like $36 a year for the live shows, right? And we just did 12 hours of that over the last month. And you get the daily update on Mondays, which I typically on Mondays I try to cover my guesses for the entire week, and then Tuesday through Sunday I do mostly daily and sometimes more macro stuff, but I really dial it in thereafter. So that is the breakdown of what those the YouTube tiers are like. But go ahead and join Discord as a free member, check that out. And again, every week when I release my calendar, I let you know what days specifically and why I think Bitcoin and crypto has a better chance to move with the economic event heat map, and that in and of itself should be, more than enough value, because Bitcoin's been moving sideways a lot, and any time that I can save you for absolute free, I mean, it's free time given back to you, that you're not staring at the charts on a very low probability of movement type of day, and I can give you your time back to you as a free member. So anyway, go ahead and check out that free video on the Discord, and we'll see you on the flip side, everybody. Peace.